intro was solid, right?
नहीं.
Okay. So, moving on. Hey guys, so my name is Vinay Pinto and I'm also known as the Invaded Camera on Instagram. So today, I'm going to bring you 5 best apps so that you can edit Instagram photos like a pro. So guys, the first app we're going to take a look at is VSCO. It is available on the Google Play Store and even the App Store. If you're just starting photography and you don't know how to edit, VSCO is the best app for you to use. So once I've imported these photos here, let's take a look. So as you can see, there are not 2-3 filters. There are actually a lot of filters for you to choose from. There is color, black and white, and even film filters for you to choose. Now a personal favorite for me is the HB2 filter. The reason is because I like to create photos or edit them in a moody or create some moody vibes. Therefore, I love that filter. You can make changes such as exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, split toning, and it's all absolutely free. Although there are some filters that you have to pay for, but trust me, with the initial filters they are offering you, you will no doubt like it. There are so many filters for you to choose. Trust me, you have to use this app if you're starting out as a beginner in editing. So once I'm done with the edit, I will save my work on my camera roll or even on the app. And there's a bonus feature they've offered is I can actually copy the edit from one photo and then paste it on another photo. This will actually save you a lot of time, and I've used this feature to this very day if I'm to edit multiple shots. Now a pro tip I actually have to offer you is no 2 photos are the same. As you can see, there are a couple of portraits and landscapes here. It is not necessary that an edit which will suit a portrait will actually work better for a landscape. That is why you have to edit almost consistently or every single day if you can. This is the reason if you want to increase your Instagram game, that is regarding editing, and if you want to become a better photo editor, you need to edit continuously and see what works best for you, and sooner or rather later you'll definitely create your very own style. Also, I just want to say, like a side note, none of the apps are actually sponsoring me. I love them. That's why I'm featuring them in this video and I want to help you guys. Also, just lastly, I just want to say, drop in a feedback to those developers on the Apple Store or even the Google Play Store. Do offer them their feedback because it will genuinely help them and it will help them grow and develop a better app for us in the future. Since they've already provided us, might as well drop in a positive feedback. So let us move on with the next. So guys, the next app we're going to take a look at is Lightroom Mobile, which is available on the Google Play Store and even the Apple Store. So Lightroom is provided by Adobe Mobile, that's like the pub of all editing. So Lightroom is especially cool because it finds like the balance between like pro editing and also user-friendly design. Now, one thing that you can see when you open this app is you're not going to get ready-made filters. The reason is why Lightroom is designed in such a way that you are yourselves going to make that certain change which is going to take your photo to the next level. So it's just like it just gives you like a blank slate. You import your photo and then you make certain changes and then you create a masterpiece. So basically that's how Lightroom works. Also, you have a lot of control over the exposure, the contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, colors, tint, etc. List goes on. Now another feature which you can see here is the HSL slider. You can convert the reds to pinks, purples to magentas, blues to cyan, and the list goes on. You can play with the vignette here, which is absolutely good. Now another feature you have is the noise reduction. I'll show you right over here. It helps you to reduce the grains in low light photos so you can make the photo clearer, which is really good. Of course, there's also like an auto edit button and cool profiles for like easy auto editing. But trust me, you guys want to like create those bomb ass edits, so I really suggest you to take your whole time and just invest your editing time into this app. Trust me, in the beginning it'll be like really difficult and so, but once you get the hang of it, you will definitely get there. Now I will always promote this app like to any beginner who's asking me, because if you want to get into PC or like Photoshop PC editing, this is the app to go. I hope you will find this app useful. You can also use it for any kind of editing like landscape, portraits, list goes on. So guys, let's move forward to the next app. So guys, the next app we're going to take a look at is Nishi. Wait, is it Mushi or Nishi?
Moshi Moshi Yamamoto-san.
Sorry. Nishi comes from the pronunciation of a Japanese word, Nishi, meaning day, sun or sunshine. Sorry for the mispronunciation. So Nishi is an Instagram stories and status editor that can help you create beautiful Instagram collages for your Instagram story. The reason why I am promoting this app is because you need to have knowledge on how to promote your edited photos on Instagram, and that is only possible via Instagram story makers, and Nishi is a really good app. So once you've imported your edited photos, you have like two options. First is to import your photos on ready-made templates, or second, create your own by using a blank canvas. For now I'm choosing the black canvas, but you can choose whichever option based on your level of creativity, so no rush. So this app like gives a large number of story templates and frames to help you easily get more likes and followers on Instagram. But seriously guys, who wants Instagram followers and likes? Okay, you need them, but content comes first, pure content. So after importing, the next step is to choose the layout. Now guys, you should choose according to your theme or style. There's no fixed template you have to choose, so your creativity is endless. So now I'm going to stick with the paper template as it's going really well with the photo. Also a pro tip, use a text and a sticker to go alongside with your photo so that it grabs the audience's attention, which is really necessary. So finally, every story maker app is special. That's what I want to say. I suggest you guys to try every app out there, because you will then have a good understanding what suits your style and how you can develop the perfect masterpiece. Also guys, a small note, to provide a positive feedback to them. It will really help them to grow. Also, let's just finish this story collage with a good sticker and we'll move on to the next app. So guys, the fourth app we're going to take a look at is Adobe Photoshop Camera. Also guys, just ignore me in the background, not that important. Now guys, as I said, the BAP of editing is Adobe. With this app, you can add the best filters and effects for your photos before you even take the snap. So I just suggest you choose the lens and you're good to go. So one of the signature features is influencer inspired lens option. So basically you can see yourself through the eyes of your favorite creators by using their aesthetic and custom designed camera lens. For example, there is my favorite photographer, his name is Brandon Wolfel, as I've told earlier. His lens is exclusively available here. Definitely try it out. Now what's unique about this app is it has an amazing AI powered feature that helps you choose the right one. So you have to choose your favorite filter and the app does the rest for you. If you're also like confused which to choose any random one. Just try and experiment with this app and the AI will choose the best one among the list. Besides choosing a filter, you can also take gorgeous selfies, food and scenery shots, and even click the perfect portrait. Also, a good thing from Adobe is that it updates the app so you're up to date with the latest trends, and you can download some of the lens too. So guys, let me know among the 5 apps which one is your favorite and comment down below which one you choose regularly. Now guys, we'll move on to the final app. So guys, the last app that we're going to take a look at is Prequel. The tagline of this app is to be creative and reveal yourself. Trust me, your creativity will be on Mount Everest with this app. That high. So as you can see, once you import a photo or video, you have outstanding video effects. I am literally astonished and shocked. Yes, I know, same meaning, but you get filters like Disco, Miami, D3D, VHS, Glitch, Crane, Lomo, Cinema, and many more of them are free. Besides being free, the app developers also update the app so you are up to date with the latest trend. If you actually think about it, this app is almost like a cheat hack, and most of the photographers and popular YouTubers use them. Most probably, yes, to get likes and views. Anyways, we are not going to talk about that. But you have so much more to choose from. Like for example, now I've saved a photo, but that's not there. Let's take an example of another shot. Like this one, I think so you recognize this one from the earlier apps. Now let's try a different video filter. This is actually like reminding me of the Weekend Starboy kind of vibes, so let's go with that. And you can actually make intro and outro videos with this, which is pretty cool. And I actually posted this video on my Instagram IG story, and seriously, I'm astonished and literally happy with this app being there. This is one of the best apps among the list, and this makes the video or like the photos 10 times better. So finally, I would like to see the features. So you have the hottest effects like Disco, Miami, D3D, VHS. You can also make stylish intro and outro. A lot of photo filters. You can also do video trimming, and you can adjust the speed of the video. Besides that, it also has a selfie camera, which is just awesome. You can also be creative with music and sound, and you can choose a unique soundtrack and add sound effects too. So guys, do drop in a positive feedback to these app developers. This app is an all-time favorite. And guys, we'll move on with the last outro. I would like to say is there is no right or wrong way to edit any photo. Trust me. Just make sure you nail the focus. Along with that, develop your own creative styles. Get inspired from photographers like Brandon Wolfel, Gallup, or any other photographer that you may know or you look up to, like your role model of inspiration. And then I suggest you to keep practicing. Editing is something that you need to be constantly practicing throughout. Like with photography, like for example, you do photo shoots every day, you get good at it. Similarly, with editing, you need to practice, and if you practice, you will definitely get good at it. Subscribe to this channel, to like this video, and do share it with your friends and family. Please, it will mean the world to me. And this is my setup. It's not that good, but it's my first video, so bear with me. As I progress through video editing, I might come up with better backdrops. Also, finally, I would like to say, do check out my Instagram page. It's at the 8rated Camera on Instagram. Also, do drop in a follow and do like my work. Thank you very much. Okay, anyways, just share it with your friends and family. Just a small request once again, and do like this video. I will see you in the next video. See ya.